Welcome to the introduction to the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. My name is Rune Gera. I'm working in the SAP HANA Cloud Platform Product Management, and I will be your instructor for this course. The course will consist of 6 weeks plus 1 week for the final exam. In each week, there will be a number of videos like the one that you are watching now. At the end of each video, there will be also self-tests helping you gauge your progress. At the end of each week, we'll also have weekly assignments. These assignments help you earn points towards your record of achievement. We also have an online forum where you can collaborate with your fellow students and also ask questions. Finally, you can expect it will take you about a half-day effort to complete each week in this course. Going to week 1, Unit 1 of the SAP HANA Cloud Platform Basics. Before looking actually into the HANA Cloud Platform, let's look first into what a cloud service is at all. So I find this definition pretty crisp and clear. So a cloud service is actually either hardware or software provided to you as a service and accessible through the internet. And as such, there are actually 3 main cloud services that you can distinguish. The first one is the infrastructure as a service model, where you get things like virtual machines, servers, you get storage. These are things like Amazon Web Service is providing. Then you have also software as a service, where you get tools like email, like a CRM system, or like virtual desktops, online games. A good example here is, for example, Google Mail. And the third one, and the one we will be looking at in this course, is the platform as a service model. And this model actually looks to provide services for developers, and it provides things like execution runtimes, like databases, like development tools, web servers. And this is where the SAP HANA Cloud Platform resides, and this is what we will be looking at in this course. Before really looking now into the platform, let's look again first, what are the benefits to use cloud services at all? So first of all, you can eliminate your capital expense because you don't have to purchase any hardware. The hardware is at the provider side, so no need for you to buy that. And due to the fact that also the provider takes care of maintaining this hardware and also maintaining the software and keeping it up to date, you can also reduce your operating costs. To take an example, the SAP HANA Cloud Platform is updated every 2 weeks in the landscapes, just for you to know. Cloud services also provide you flexibility. So due to the fact you can grow with the changing demands, you can either buy more or less of these services. So you can scale the systems up and down how you want it. And a very big benefit is, of course, that these systems are available everywhere. The only thing you need is a computer and the internet, and you have access to it. And due to all of these benefits, you gain a lot of agility because you don't have to put your resources in maintaining systems, but rather think of innovations. So it makes you react faster to the changing needs in your business. And the last one, of course, also very important, the high availability. So we are talking here about availabilities in the 99.9%. So these systems are highly available, and also the providers take care that these systems work day and night, 24/7, with corresponding support if somehow possible. But now let's look into the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. As I said, this is a platform as a service offering from SAP. It helps you build, extend, run, and operate applications in the cloud. It supports multiple runtimes. It supports Java runtime, the SAP HANA XS runtime, and more runtimes will be added over time. In this course, we will be focusing on the Java runtime, but you will see also in the next units, we sometimes will have little journeys into the HANA side, into the HANA XS side, and give you some examples how to connect to that. It has 4 main services that you can use. It's the persistent service, the document service, the security service, and the connectivity service. So this platform is actually very open, it's standards-based and enterprise-ready. Open, why? Because in all of these services that we use, we try to use standards that are widely adopted in the world, in the IT industry, so that developers don't have to learn new things, and we take the best of breed due to that. So we take also a standards-based development environment. The one we will be using will be Eclipse, and also a runtime environment like Java. Going to the persistent service, it really helps you leveraging the speed of HANA. So you already learned in another course how the HANA application development works. So our platform uses HANA2 to persist data. We have a scalable document service also based on the standard, the CMIS standard. We will be talking about that in a later unit, to actually help you managing unstructured data like files. We have the connectivity service, which helps you also integrating with either SAP systems or other systems between your cloud application, your application somewhere in an on-premise system or in another cloud system. We also have a federated identity management via the SAP ID service or an existing on-premise identity provider. Also here we are leveraging a widely adopted standard, the SAML standard. What it means we will be talking about in a later unit and deep diving into that. You can do remote monitoring and management of your account through a web page. We will be also looking into that during this course. You can create nice looking mashups and third-party content with the SAP HANA Cloud portal. We will be also showing you this in one of the units. And especially if you want to become a certified partner for developing HANA Cloud platform applications, there is both a partner program, so that helps you to build and monetize your cloud applications, as well as an SAP store where you can actually offer your solution to SAP customers. Last but not least, there is also a world-class data center that meets the highest security standards. If you want to learn more about this data center, just go to www.sapdatacenter.com and you will see which security standards we have there. And it's a tier 4 data center. For those of you who know, this is the highest level of a data center that you can reach. So how do you deploy on the Java runtime of the SAP HANA Cloud platform? So you have a compute unit that resides in the cloud. This compute unit is the one that you purchase. For the trial account that we will be using in this course, you get one CPU and a certain amount of RAM. And within this compute unit, you have a Java virtual machine where you actually put the application runtime container and where your Java EE web application resides. And we currently support Java SE 6 and 7 and are also certified for Java EE6 web profile. And if you purchase compute units, we have different sizes that you can select, and also different sizes of data storage, and also different sizes of RAM you can use that help you building also complex applications that need a lot of RAM maybe. As this is a cloud service model, we provide everything also via web interface. So you have a proactive 24/7 system monitoring with automated alerts. So you can create such alerts and let the system send you, for example, an email if something specific happens with your application, a specific status of your application, or if you want to have any kinds of warnings inside your application that the administrator should know about. Very important, a worldwide support 24/7 for accounts in the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. You have detailed usage metrics that help you monitor how you are using your compute units. You have logging tools that you can configure to let you track what is going on in terms of traffic, in terms of what kind of messages go back and forth in your applications. And all of this, as I said, delivered via a web-based operations console. The whole platform is pretty extensible and connectable, so we are also having other solutions that are also running on the SAP HANA Cloud Platform, and like the SAP HANA Cloud Portal, where you actually can create web pages. We will be looking into that in a later unit of this course. We also provide to you in the platform the SAP Mobile Platform Enterprise Edition Cloud version. Again, this will be another unit in this course. We have the SAP HANA Cloud Integration. This will not be part of this course, but this is mainly a system that helps you connecting systems that talk, let's say, different protocols with each other. We will be also showing you Gateway as a Service in the cloud. This is also here a part of this course. And what will be not part of this course, but what you will be able to do, is to integrate very easily with other systems like SuccessFactors and Suite. But we will be giving you the right tools, mainly the connectivity service, where you can actually find out yourself how you can connect maybe different systems that we don't talk about here in this course to your application in the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. So what will be the scope of this course? I already mentioned a few things. So in the course, we will be setting up your own free account in our trial landscape. We will also setting up the development environment together so that you can follow all the demos and also the exercises we will be doing. We will be using all SAP HANA Cloud Platform services so that you have at least the basics how to use them. We will be deploying lots of applications to your account in the cloud. And we will be also using additional features like the SAP HANA Cloud Portal, like SAP Mobile Platform Cloud version, as well as the Gateway as a Service. So, what have you learned now in this unit? You know what the service models are in the world and what the benefits of them are. And you have now a very high level overview of the SAP HANA Cloud Platform and also know what kind of additional features it has. In the next units, we will be going through each of the steps from going to set up your account until deploying your first application in the cloud, which will be the last unit of this week. Thanks.